Can't wait to see this, guys! Yay! Alright! So, can't wait to see this. Sobrang tagal na pala tong yung top na music by Bini, no? Ilang taon lang. Ngayon lang in-upload, guys. So, just check out and intro muna tayo.
Make the ground shake.
Yo, what's up guys? And happy Friday sa inyong lahat. And today, we're going to special video at special content nga to guys. At napakaganda ng ipapakita ko dito regarding dito. So, ayun nga guys, napaka simple and kagaya na nangyari sa Blink Twice, no? Almost 1 month ago, no? Kaya hindi ko ina-expect na magkakaroon tayo ng bagong contents, bagong videos ngayong year of 2025. So, this is the third month of 2025. So, the month is March. So, anyways, wag na natin patagalin pa at i-play natin ang Top by Bini. So, nasa ano pa lang ito, nasa lyrics lang ito noon eh. Ngayon, meron na official music video guys. So, wag natin patagalin, i-play natin ang music video nito. Yo, let's watch this.
T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. It's up, time is slipping away. Di mapakali, parang ang haba ng day. When we're together, lumilinaw ang kulay. Ang sisaya ng bonding pag ang friends mo ay tunay. Feels like I'm living the dream. It's time to let go. Your back, magpa-rain or shine. Huwag ka na mag-alala, we'll be just fine. Sabay-sabay, walang mauuna. Basta weekend, mag-ice cream ka na muna. Won't stop till makarating tayo. Tip the top tayo hanggang dulo. Feels like I'm living the dream. It's time to let go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Buckle up, I'll take you to the top. Tara na, abutin ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Round and round, I'll take you to the top. Basta kasama kayo, tayo hanggang dulo. T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. 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 I'll take you to the top. Abutin ang lahat ng pangarap. Just let go, bita na. I'll take you to the top. Kasama kayo, tayo hanggang dulo. T.O.P. top, I'll take you to the top. 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 T.O.P. top, let's take it to the top. T.O.P. top, let's take it to so much love. Top.
Hey, hindi kaya. Hey! Yun lang. So, yun nga guys. Medyo short nga lang video. Kagaya sa Blink Twice pala, sorry. Blink Twice. Ayun. Ito kasi yung Blink Twice guys ayan, check ko dito. Regarding dito. Kasi nasa ano yun eh. I mean, ayan. So, ayan, 36,000 views kasi bago upload. Pero yung yung Blink Twice, no, I think more than 10 million views. And sana, eto na yun guys. Huwag nyo nang palagpasin. Eto na yun, pagkakataon nyo na panoorin yung mga idol nyo sa Bini. Hey! Yun nga guys. At syempre, bago nga ako magtapos, at pwede sana makahingi ng like, share at comment sa bago kong videos at lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong contents. At huwag niyo rin kalilimutan ang i-click nyo ang notification bell pag lagi kayong updated at i-click nyo na rin ang subscribe button. So, paano yan guys? See ya!